You guys, what's up? Good morning, good evening. I don't know the time zone you guys are at. So wherever you guys are watching this video right now, I'm just gonna say greetings to you. So what's up? This is just a short recording on what the euro Canadian dollar is likely gonna do this week or next week. I don't know, but this is just a prediction for the short term. For a long term view or probably a short term, whichever you actually want to see. Or you want to trade. So real quick, let's just check what's called the weekly time frame just to see what the weekly outlook looks like. So I'm gonna be maximizing the screen. So right here we can see we are on the uptrend. The bull run is still playing out. We see this kind of stretch out that we had right here, and there's still high chance of price still wanted to pull up, despite the fact that we can still come back to the trace into this consolidation breakout. There was an accumulation right here before price broke out of there. Then I still believe price can still come all the way back into this area to test it in the future. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I can still see that there's still a chance of price coming back down to test this area. Like really bad. We can see, break out of this trend line, then start observing some kind of drop massively to the downside. That's just on a weekly time frame. And likewise, our prediction can go wrong, then price can actually flip to the upside. That is that is how the game is. You can predict, and price actually goes the wrong way. It's part of the game. So now I'm just gonna stay on the daily time frame to show you what I think price can actually do. I was on the trend line on the line chart trying to see something earlier, but let's just call this thing short. So what I was trying to say is, if price decides to break out of this trend, there's high chance of them coming back into this consolidation level. Talking about this area. So if we break out of this trend line, I'm going to be looking out for shorts all the way back to the downside. Then I'm gonna play my trend line, I'm gonna put my fib, then probably try to see something like probably a 78.6 reaction, or probably the 71 fib level reaction right there. So I'm looking out for a breakout of that. So in case that occurs, then it's actually call for short level. So I think there's a chart pattern trying to form right there. I'm not sure if that is right, but something like that is showing up around that area. So that is just for what's called if this trail happens to break. But let's try to see what if we follow the trend. What if we look at, okay, trend continuation. The market came all the way to the upside and dip a little bit back into this gap area, pushed up, create a new wave. This is a new wave. If you put a fib from here, bring it all the way to the upside, what do you get? You get about 618 fib reaction, then price try to pull up again. So that is like, okay, if price decide to respect this level and they want to do something like a one-to-one move, ABCD pattern or sort, then they're gonna be breaking these highs that we have right here. This high we have right here is actually an high that we can actually pay attention to see if price want to come back to that area, and maybe we want to take them out in case price decides to continue its movement to the upside. That is one. So this is a wave one. This is wave to the upside, and we get what? A break to the 618, a retracement to the 618. We're likely to see price want to test the top. Okay, well, I'm gonna take the fib out, then try to play another thing. I'm trying to zoom in. We got another wave from the 618 to the upside. Price came all the way back again to retrace to the 70.1, I think, or 70.6 from year to year. Yeah, okay, there's the 71 fib level. Price respected the 71 fib level, creating what? A block area right here. This is an OB where the order was being filled, then price was pushed a little bit higher to the upside. Then price came all the way back down to this area again, fill this other block that was here. We got the other block right here. Price fill the other block, move all the way to the upside again, create another one right here. So now we got orders sitting down around this same level where price is right now. This is an OB. So what is price likely going to do right there? We can see the candlestick pattern euro card has been forming for the past 3 days. So I likely want to see if price want to dip a little bit back, a little bit down again, and probably want to see if these highs are being taken out. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the fib level from here, bring it all the way to the upside. Boom. This is around the 71 fib level, probably close to the 78.6 if I can apply the fib right there. So I would like to see what? I would like to see price reaction again. This is M3.6. Then we can actually see what price testing what negative 272 above these highs. Probably around this area, no, probably around this area. Around this area, price can actually want to test back this area. So if this actually happen, if price really respect this OB, then we can see something like this forming. So that is just another one. So if I go back to the line chart just to confirm what I was trying to show you. So this is the line chart. What can you see? You can see we are on the trend line. We are on the test of the trend line. Price can actually just do something like this again, dip a little bit, boom, then continue his way back into that trend. So I would like to see, wait for more confirmation around this OB right there for me to look out for the price opportunity. So if I just go back to the 2-hour time frame just to see some kind of other conference, I think I was looking at a pattern trying to form. I know most of you don't really like patterns. You don't really like to trade harmonic pattern, but whatever that works for you is something you really want to stick with. So it works for me, I stick with it. Okay, now looking at this, I think there's a pattern right there. If I put my fib level from this point back all the way to this first high, then I can see about 38.2 up to 50% retracement level. The price break all the way back to the 70.6 right there. Then I might be looking out for the 88.6 fib level from this same point to that uptrend, which is this. Where is my 88.6 fib level? I'm going to actually put out the fib 88.6 fib level right there. Boom. So right here. So if you look at confluence that you can have for this bat pattern is right around this area. Where's the number one confluence? You get it at the trend line on the line chart. We got an OB right here. Price is sitting around. Price can actually want to dip a little bit more down, do something of such. Boom. Then you can take the buy around that area. So this is the pattern. So in case you guys want to watch out for it, XA B C D. That is the pattern that we have right there. So in case you guys want to watch out for this pattern, you can wait for price to dip a little bit back to that area, and then you can take what? You can take the buy signal. If price break that trend line according to what I said earlier, you can actually look out for the sell signal. But mind you, I think the buy signal should actually want to play out if this harmonic is right there. You can watch out for more other confluence that price are out of field. Look at this low. Price can still dip a little bit back into this area. I just think the 80.6 is going to be a very good area for you to look out for buy opportunity. Okay, with that being said, I'd like you guys to wait for extra confluence before you get in any trade, and don't want to rush into any trade because every day is for the market. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead of you. Again, bye.